Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a nice 10 seconds video using this image as a reference, this guy in ancient Egypt. Okay, he makes a blog video, 10 seconds. Okay, let's see.
I'm standing right in front of Djozer's step pyramid. Look how massive these stones are. Let's go help him out. Hey man, this block is insanely heavy. How long does this take you guys?
With us.
Guys, you literally won't believe.
Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, run ComfyUI from here. Okay, fine. Now let's track this workflow. You can get it on the description. Okay, there is 5 errors found. You have to download those 5 errors and add it in our place. Okay. The first one is this one, Storyboard LoRa. Download it from here and add it here. The second one is this VIE audio file and this VIE video file. Download it, add it on those places. The third one is text encoder. Choose this 15 gigabytes, download it, and add it here. Okay, the final one is Pink Cherry. Download it from here and add it here in the Fusion models. Okay, for me I already download those files. For you, download it and add it. Okay, how to add these files? Okay, now let's go right here. Make this one like this. Okay, ComfyUI portable. Where is the other one? Choose the downloads. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, let's begin with the Fusion model Pink Cherry. Pink Cherry, this one. First, you have to go here, ComfyUI, search for models, search for the Fusion models, and just drag this Pink Cherry right here. Second one, this the text encoder, the queen. Return here to models, go down to text encoders, and just drag this queen here. Okay, third one and the fourth one, VIE audio and VIE video. Return here to models, search for VIE, and just copy those here. Now, return here. The final one is LoRa. Search for LoRa, and just drag this LoRa here. Okay, after that, reload the page and choose the picture here, choose the queen here, choose the VIE video here, VIE audio here, and LoRa here. Okay, zoom out. And here, load image, you can add our image in this place, as you can see. Choose this image as you want. For me, I want to choose this one as default image. Where is my image? Oh, it's not short. I'll kill this one. Okay, choose the image here and go right here and add your prompt, image to prompt. Okay, delete this prompt. Wanna add this one. wanna make a vlog video in the ancient Egypt. Okay, this is the resolution. If you have 8 gigabytes of VRAM, you can choose this resolution. This length, let's choose around 10 seconds. 240 frames. Now, for the steps, let's choose 5. Let's choose 8. 8 steps. Hit OK. And the final thing I want to do is just hit run. And the work is beginning. Okay, fine guys, as you can see the video is completed. Let's see.
Guys, you literally won't believe where I am right now. I'm standing right in front of Jozer's step pyramid. Look how massive these stones are. Let's go help him out. Hey man, this block is insanely heavy. How long does this take you guys?
With us.
Guys, you literally won't believe where I am right now.
Okay, as you can see, it looks very nice. This guy is in the ancient Egypt. Makes a vlog video about this. He wants to help those workers to achieve this work. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.